In the last lesson, we learned how path animation works and how to use Walkway.js to make it easy. In this lesson, we'll use another JavaScript plugin called Wow.js, which simply animates things into view as the user scrolls down the page with the help of the animate.css library we saw before. So if we check out Wow.js at mynameismatthew.com/wow, you can see it's very Doge eccentric. But as we scroll down, you can see these different elements pop into view. So you can see them there at the very bottom of the page. Now all these animations are from the animate.css library. So just as you get close to the bottom of the page, things start sliding in and popping in. So refresh. And it's just a cool way to add some interaction to your website. So as you can see, you need jQuery, and let's go ahead and get started. So we'll create a new folder here called Wow.js. Drag that into Sublime Text. We'll create our index file. And our stylus file. And we'll go ahead and cd to that folder, cd to our CSS folder, and watch it with auto prefixer. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this blank page. And now what we can do is say h1 hello wow.js. Now to use wow, we need to use jQuery. So let's go to Google CDN. Scroll down here to jQuery. And we'll just grab this snippet right here. Copy that. Paste it in here. Remember to prefix it with the HTTP. And we'll create our own script here in the JS folder called main.js. And we need Wow.js as well, obviously. So let's go to GitHub, click on the distribution folder, dist folder, and we'll just grab the minified version. So select all, copy, and we'll put this in our JavaScript folder as well. So JS, Wow.js. So let's paste that in there, save it, close it. Now we need to call that as well. So we'll say script JS Wow.js. And we need to make our main JavaScript file as well. Okay, and now we'll make the jQuery ready function. And now all we have to do is click on this how to use thing. We'll also need animate.css, which we can get from cdnjs.com. So let's type in animate CSS, and here it is. So let's click copy there. And now let's go and include that. So we'll create a link to a style sheet here. We'll just paste that in there. And now we've got animate.css. Okay. Now if we go back over to the Wow.js documentation and look at the second step, we just link and activate Wow.js. So we've already linked it, so now to activate it, we just need to add this new wow.init snippet. So we'll put that in our main.js file here and save that. And now all we need to do is add a couple classes in here. One of them is wow, just to signify that this is part of the Wow.js library. And then we can use whatever animate.css thing we want. So we could use bounce in left, and we'll come over here and refresh. And as soon as the window scrolls to that area, it'll bounce it in. So if this is pushed way down the screen, so let's go up here and say HTML padding top 1000 pixels and save it, and make sure that we link to that style sheet. And then refresh. Now whenever we scroll down to the bottom, it won't be visible until we scroll down to the bottom, and then once we hit the bottom, it'll slide in from the left, so watch for it. See? And that's effectively how you do that. You can add as many as you want. You can have them slide in from the left or from the right. You can use any of Animate CSS's animations. So just check some of these out and test it out. And that's how WowJS works. In this lesson, we learned how to quickly add some life to our pages with the help of WowJS. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to perform the sometimes dubious scroll hijacking technique with the help of another plugin called One Page Scroll.js.